Coca-Cola's amazing supply chain. To begin with, this is not a commercial blog post. Cola is already one of the most popular drinks in the world, and Coca-Cola is one of the most well-known brands. Every day, more than 1.9 billion servings of Coca-Cola are sold in more than 200 countries around the world. Logistically, this is a massive undertaking. As a result, an intriguing supply chain, even if the secret recipe is not revealed in this blog post. This is because the soft drink already arrives in syrup form at its partners' manufacturing plants, where it is mixed with carbon dioxide and sugar. The name is the only minimal hint to the drink's secret composition. Coca-Cola derives its name from the original recipe's ingredients, coca leaves and cola beans. A global network of supply chain partners. Coca-Cola is a multinational corporation that operates on a local level. This means that there are currently approximately 225 bottling partners around the world. The supply chain begins with the acquisition of raw materials, which include agricultural products, such as sugarcane or fruit, and water in the case of Coca-Cola. The most important ingredients, such as water and sugar, are sourced locally, with the partners having only the type of sugar available to them. In Europe, beet sugar is primarily used, while cane sugar is used in Asia and corn syrup is used in America. The production of the concentrate, which is mixed with water, sugar, and carbon dioxide by the bottling plants, is one of the first steps in the Coca-Cola supply chain. Other plants manufacture the concentrate. The secret recipe, legend has it, is kept in a safe in Atlanta. According to the legend, no more than 2 people should have access to it or know the exact recipe. After mixing, bottlers package, market, and distribute the finished beverages to grocery stores, restaurants, and movie theaters, among other places. As a result, the company places a high value on supplier relationship management and continuous supplier monitoring. New technologies aid in the efficiency of the supply chain. The company wishes to continuously improve its supply chain management by utilizing technology such as warehouse automation. Portfolio diversification and personalization are also important issues that the company intends to address through the use of new technologies. Blockchain is a recent example of how new technologies are being used in Coca-Cola's chain. At the moment, there are many intermediaries in the communication and cooperation with partners, which slows down the processes and increases their cost. Coca-Cola wants to use blockchain technology to improve collaboration with its partners and the 160,000 orders per day as part of a collaboration with the technology company SAP. An inter-organizational, transparent distributed ledger will provide real-time insights into all of the network's transactions, which generate over $21 billion in revenue per year. Another example of Coca-Cola's technologies is the production of bottles from beach and sea plastic waste. Almost 300 sample bottles were made with 25% recycled marine plastic. The sample bottles were created to show the potential of improved recycling technologies. These innovative processes allow used plastic of any quality to be recycled into high-quality plastic. Plastic components, polymers, are broken down and impurities in the material are removed during the process. The individual components, monomers, can then be reassembled to produce a material that is as good as new. This means that inferior plastics, which were previously frequently incinerated or disposed of in landfills, can now remain in the material cycle and be reused for food packaging. As a result, the amount of recyclable material in the cycle increases. This, in turn, reduces the amount of new PET and thus fossil materials required to produce new packaging, potentially resulting in significant changes to the Coca-Cola supply chain. Final thoughts. Coca-Cola has been a global player for a long time. As a result, the company's supply chain is constantly being optimized and modernized. Because of the soft drink's high sales, the supply chain focuses on the management of partner companies. Smooth communication with partners and subsequent smooth distribution to points of sale are critical here. Coca-Cola is and has always been a popular soft drink. As a result, it is even more remarkable that the company has managed to keep its exact recipe and thus the exact steps of the Coca-Cola supply chain secret for decades. The supply chain is certainly mysterious and amazing, due to the secret recipe. Which amazing supply chain are you familiar with?